guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little AliExpress haul. My order started rolling in that I ordered a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. So I ordered some of this Pom Pom trim, and I'm pretty sure you get 5 meters of this. I got 2 because I am going to alter my calyx unit, the little boxes. So I'll probably do a little video on that and show you guys how I use these. It's super cute, and they have all the colors for like $1. Next are these little mermaid tails. If you guys didn't see my, video what I was gonna buy and stuff, these are them. Let me get the camera to focus. Come on. So they're super sparkly and cute. And if you guys also watched my Hobby Lobby haul, you know that Hobby Lobby is carrying some of these now with a little like stick in the center to, hang like a charm. And I have those, so let me show you. So these are the Hobby Lobby ones, and these are the AliExpress ones. So they are much larger, and they're just as sparkly. So I'm pretty sure Hobby Lobby is getting their stuff from, China. But look how cute. And these are $4 for 4, so literally $1 each if you didn't get them on sale. And these are like $1 for a whole bag. So you definitely get, your money's worth with AliExpress for the same exact thing. Half the time. Next are these little yarn. Obviously I knew it wasn't going to be a big old like yarn. Hold on. Like a big giant yarn, but it fits in the palm of my hand, kind of like a big giant Easter egg size. And I got this pretty teal color, and I'm going to make tassels from Scrap the World's tutorial. And I got pink, and then I should have a rainbow one coming in. Next are these, and oh my gosh, I did not look at the dimensions, you guys. But I do that every time. So these are those buttons, those swan buttons in like the whitish color with the little gold swan in it. These are tiny, way tinier than I thought, like fits on my pinky nail. Versus I thought these were going to be like a regular button size, probably like quarter or nickel size. They're definitely not. They're tiny. They're half a size of a dime. Next is this trim, and oh my gosh. So you can't really tell. I mean, you can tell what it looks like online. Remember, Erica had hauled it, and it is finally here. So I got the like bluish mint color with the gold at the very edge. And you get like a whole ball of it. I don't know how many yards you end up getting. And then I also got the pink one. I'll show you that. Look at, I just love the color. And that little touch of like gold, that little sparkle gold. Super cute. Love, love, love. And then I got this again. Oops, I folded it up. My bad. Look at this holographic sheet, you guys. This is perfect for bow making. And I did pay attention to the measurements on this one, and I knew that it wasn't an 8.5 by 11. It was 8.5 by 5.5. So there you go. It's very holographic. Next, I got those little the eyelets in, shaped like hearts, and I did pick up the pink color. Super cute, and you get like a lot, probably 100. And then next I got, what did I get? Oh, these little, rip them open, these cute little starfish charms I showed in that video. Look how cute these are, and they're very like a really pretty gold, if that makes sense. You can see on the back side. I got like the corally pink colored ones. Super cute. And then these are the unicorns. This is another thing that I felt was small. I knew they were going to be small, but they're tiny. They're so cute. Perfect little charm. And you can make these for planners, altar paper clips, a tassel, any type of happy mail, something hanging and dangling. I want to see you get like, I don't even know, 50 maybe? Or what's that say? Is that 50? Yeah, 50 on there. And again, Hobby Lobby has these in a set of like 4 or 5 or 6 maybe. I don't know. I didn't pick them up because they were expensive, and I knew I ordered some on AliExpress. Next are the cute little flower eyelets that you got to use your eyelet setter and smush it down, and you can make rings and tags and just make them that much more fancier with the little like flower scalloped shape. Super cute. And then I got these cute little bows. I showed you guys on what I was getting. Look how cute these are. So they're much smaller than I thought they were going to be. Let me get the detail of it. There they are. Again, you can see next to my thumb that it would fit on my thumb. So they're super cute, but I don't mind that they're small. I like stuff small, so I can do like, come on camera. There we go. Like embellishments and stuff, and you could just glue these on. You don't necessarily have to hang them. So super, super cute. And then I got all of these little guys for my shakers, to make shakers. Remember these little like pearl things I showed you that look like they belong in the ocean or a mermaid theme? Oh, well, actually, I don't want to open them, but they're like little bubbles. And I can easily embellish with these as well, like with some glue, or put them in a shaker. Then I got these ones right here, these pink ones. These are all different. These don't look like bubbles. These are like those little shaker beads, and they're kind of like Mexican jumping beads jumping around in there. Then I got a blue one of the bubble, of the white bubble. I got a blue version as well for like mermaid themed stuff. And then I picked up a really gold, like, I don't know what these are called, like caviar style beads. I don't know. And then I don't know if I ordered these or they sent these as a like an extra, come on camera, as an extra goodie. These little flowers, it says handmade. They look like real flowers, little purple flowers. I'm not sure if I ordered or they bought. I mean, they sent for free. And then I got these wall things for my craft room. These came super fast. They're gold, but they're not like a, I don't know, they're more of like a bronzy gold, definitely. And these are much smaller circles. It's about 1.5 inches. But every single photo they showed, they were big giant circles, like 2-3 inch circles. So sometimes I feel like Aliexpress should get in trouble for showing photos. Like all the photos were big circles. It's like they didn't even show a little version. So it's like none of those were their photos. And I feel like they should get in trouble for that. But the description, if you read it, said that the circles were 1.5 inches, not like 2 or 3 inches. Like I assumed they would be. So on Aliexpress, never assume. Never assume that the photo they're showing is what you're going to get. You have to read. You have to read. Oh, and then I also got a white version of those like little caviar beads for shakers and stuff. And you guys, so far so good on my nails. They're still here. And I even, watch, look at my thumb. I even scratched paint. I was doing some touch-up paint because I'm a perfectionist in my craft room. I was scratching paint off the hardwood floor, and it didn't even like ruin the nail. Like you can see where it wore it down a little bit. I was scratching, I did deep cleaning, and these nails lasted, you guys. I'm in shock because I don't wear gloves. So yes. Okay. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.